Hey everyone, welcome back to Fishing with Nordbye. Just got out here with my beautiful wife, Cody, and we're gonna walk back in here to this pond, do some ice fishing. Gonna get out the sled, we got the drill, we got the hut, we got everything we need, and the heater. Don't forget the heater. She's gotta stay warm when we ice fish. But we also have some minnows and waxworms. We're gonna go after some big crappie, big bluegill, see what we catch. So we're gonna walk about half a mile back into this pond, get to fishing. Let's go. All right, we are just getting back into this pond, getting your confidence on the ice. We're gonna go out here to this brush pile, fish by it, drill some holes, try to catch some crappie and bluegill. There you go. Now you yank it out. There you go. There you go. Good job, babe. Gonna start our heater here. There it goes. Let there be flames. Be nice and toasty in here. Gonna get out our little wax worms here. Cody's starting out with a jig. I'm gonna start out with a minnow. You got it? Mm-hmm. All right. I'm gonna start out with a minnow. See if we can find a crappie next to this brush pile. And I'm also gonna have a wax worm down as well.
Here we go.
All right, first drop. I'm gonna get my rods rigged up. You might catch one before I get ready. Here we go. Okay. Oh, there you go. Oh, give him some slack. He's behind a tree probably. Oh, you might have a big something. Oh my gosh. Wow, I think he got tangled up on my line too. Oh, you got something big, Cody. Yeah.
Oh, I do.
He's
Yay, a bass!
Nice.
I've always wanted to catch a bass through the ice. Yes!
Nice. That is awesome. Look, he got us all tangled up. He got both of my pulls tangled up. That is awesome. Wow.
Hey, buddy.
Nice. There you go.
I've been telling you I want to catch a bass through the ice.
Yeah. That's a good one right there. Yeah, about 15, 16 inches. That's awesome. Alright guys, Cody just caught a good bass. Her first fish of the year. She's actually never caught a bass through the ice. Pretty exciting. That's a good one too. And she's going to release it here after she takes that Instagram story photo.
Alright, here we go.
Good one, babe. Hole's kind of small for him. Nice. Good job.
That was fun.
Wow, she's kicking my butt. 1-0 already. Oh my gosh. I'm just about to go try out these new holes I drilled and Cody just caught a good gilly.
Maybe you shouldn't leave me.
It's a decent one. Maybe I shouldn't. There you go. Fish bucket. It's a decent one.
Hey, give me that.
Getting your worm back.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ooh.
Good job. Okay. Holler if you catch one.
Alright.
I'm gonna go test these out. A lot colder out here. Oh, I just missed one. I don't know, he got off. Hooked up. Feels like a decent one. Yeah, keeper. That's a good keeper. Oh, I about bit it. Oh. Alright guys, look at that. Nice keeper gilly right there. Oh, about dropped him. There we go. Thanks, babe. That's my first fish. Cody's already caught 2. And finally got one in. Going back down. This pond is so clear, I think the fish are just being finicky. Oh, hooked up. Got another one. Yep, we need to move. We found them. Yes, that is another keeper gill. And that last one finned me. I'm bleeding. That's 2 in a row. I think we're gonna move the hut over here and try catching some more of these gills. One of them finned me, it looks like. If I catch one more, we're moving the hut. All right. Gonna keep my glove off because it's been back to back. See if we can get another one real quick. Hooked up. There we go. Fighter. Fighter. Oh yeah. There we go. Another keeper gill, babe. Look at that. These are beautiful. Most of these are females, I think. Female bluegill. 2 females, 1 male. All right. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna move the hut right over here. Okay guys, we moved the hut over. They're not biting anymore. Part of me thinks it's because of the shade, but we're gonna try some more holes I drilled, and I'm gonna set the minnow down in one and fish another one with the wax one. Yeah, my minnow's gone. Wow. Yep, he sure did. There we go. Please be a crappie. Oh, he got off right at the hole. Dang it. What? Must not have been. That was a good fish. Cody's going back in the hut. I'm going to keep trying out here by this brush pile since I lost that good one. She had 1 bite out here, but we've not caught any more. Oh, I just missed one. I might drill some more holes. Hooked up. It's behind a tree. There we go. Feels like a good one, whatever it is. It's behind another tree. It is a bass. Oh yeah. Decent one. All right. About like yours. I think yours was a little bigger. There we go. Caught another bass. What a beaut. Woo! Oh, about bit it. Oh gosh. You got one?
No, it's me.
Oh, bless you. I about just fell on the ground. Well, I was kind of hoping for a crappie, but we'll take it. Alright, just drilled 6 more holes. Gonna go try each one of these. See if we can find a few more fish. Well, we were just packing up for the day. We caught 5 keeper bluegill, ended up throwing them back. They were still alive. And 2 bass. It was awesome catching bass to start the ice season. Cody's been talking about how she wanted to catch a bass through the ice because that's her favorite fish to catch. But we're gonna pack up here, walk a half mile back to the truck. They just weren't biting too well today. That's how it goes sometimes. We didn't get skunked, but we didn't catch any crappie either. Kind of weird. But thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you next time on Fishing with Nordbye.